Axminster Tools are thrilled to be back at Makers Central, sharing skills and getting creative with you. Come say hello and meet our resident experts. A one-stop destination for wood turning, machinery, hand tools and craft demonstrations. Join us for live demonstrations from our team of highly skilled woodworkers and special guests. Also launching at Makers Central is our new podcast, Out of the Woodwork, presented by Sean Evely. So join Jason, Ben and Sean, plus a whole host of special guests, along with our experts from Axminster Tools at Makers Central. We can't wait to see you there.